Hello, and thanks for coming back. I have a chocolate buttercream frosting cupcake design for you today with some bright colored sprinkles. It's a fun variation on my spiral cupcake border design. Using a small star piping tip, this one is not numbered, but I would compare it to maybe like an 18 or a 21. I filled my piping bag with my chocolate buttercream frosting. You can find the recipe for this on my website at customcakesandcupcakes.com. I spread a little bit on the center to start, as you'll see later the sprinkles will need something to stick to. And then to create the spiral, squeeze with medium pressure to anchor the buttercream to the cupcake somewhere at the edge. Then begin piping in very small circles, one on top of the other, without releasing pressure. Each new coil you pipe sits right on top of the last coil you piped. And then to finish the border, release your pressure gradually as you pull the buttercream underneath where you started. I'm using a smaller turntable for this. This is actually one that's marketed to cookie decorators primarily. However, I think it works really great for cupcakes. They're in my Amazon storefront if you're looking for one. I also think a small plastic Lazy Susan or even a towel on a smooth surface would work well for this too. The sprinkles I'm using today are these crunchy, bright colored rainbow sprinkles by Via Chef. I love the beautiful pops of color they add to the chocolate, and also they're very crispy and crunchy and don't hurt your teeth when you bite them. I'm using this little half teaspoon to spoon them right into the middle of the border. If some sprinkles get into the border like this and that bothers you, you can just pop them out with the tweezers. And here is how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Happy baking!